Hey there, welcome back to the Balance Work. Dealing with a coworker who may have borderline personality disorder, or BPD, can be tough. They might act in ways that make work stressful for everyone. But don't worry, there are ways you can handle the situation without losing your cool. So let's talk about 8 ways to deal with a coworker who has borderline personality disorder. 1. Set boundaries with your coworker. First up, setting boundaries. This is key. Be clear about what's okay and what's not. If their behavior crosses a line, let them know, but keep it calm. And stick to your boundaries. If you give in, it might be seen as a weakness, and that could make things harder. Stay firm, but don't get into power struggles. 2. Keep communication open. Open and honest conversations are important. If something they're doing is bothering you, tell them how you feel, but do it in a way that focuses on you, not them. Like, instead of saying, "You're always rude," say, "I feel upset when you speak to me like that." This helps keep things from getting heated. 3. Seek help from a manager. If things get out of hand, don't hesitate to talk to your manager or our. They're there to help. Maybe they can step in with a private conversation, something like, "I've noticed a lot of outbursts lately. Let's talk about it." Sometimes, having a neutral person involved can help clear the air. 4. Avoid arguing. One big tip: don't argue. If your coworker is getting emotional or defensive, arguing will probably just make things worse. Instead, try to stay calm. If it's getting too much, take a break. But don't just walk away mid-conversation, it could make things worse. 5. Avoid triggers. Another tip: try to avoid their triggers. If you know something makes them upset, do your best to steer clear of it. Maybe they get frustrated with certain projects, so try to work separately when you can. And avoid things like sudden movements or raising your voice. 6. Stay emotionally detached. It's tough, but try not to get too emotionally involved. Remember, their emotions are theirs to deal with. You can be kind and understanding, but you're not responsible for fixing their problems. 7. Seek professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed, it's okay to get help. A therapist can give you advice on how to manage the situation. And if you're not ready for therapy, there are support groups, books, and articles that can help you understand what BPD is all about. Finally, educate yourself. The more you know about BPD, the better you'll be at handling things. There are tons of great resources out there, like books, articles, and websites. Learning about this disorder can really help you be more patient and understanding with your coworker. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if a coworker has BPD? Here are some signs to look out for. People with BPD might show things like impulsive decisions, emotional ups and downs, unstable relationships, and even a sense of emptiness. They might struggle with trust, act unpredictably, or sometimes have trouble controlling their anger. Some may even have suicidal thoughts or engage in self-harm, so it's really important to take any signs like that seriously. Understanding BPD is so important because it's a serious mental health condition. People with BPD often deal with a lot of pain and confusion, which can lead to behaviors that hurt themselves or others. With treatment, though, many people with BPD go on to live happy and stable lives. So, to sum it up, be patient, set boundaries, keep communication open, and educate yourself. And remember, you're not alone in dealing with a coworker who has BPD. If things get tough, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Hopefully, these tips will make your work environment a little easier. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tips on navigating tricky workplace situations.